Hey guys, so I just got back from downtown Chicago today. Basically, I went downtown just to see the Obama portraits at the Art Institute. So if you're living in Chicago or in the suburbs or planning on going to Chicago within the next month or so, I recommend to go see the Obama portraits. They're only there for another month. So anyways, another reason why I went down is because of these. Picked these up today because I am an audiophile and I love my music. I have to have all the latest earbuds. I just don't message me or anything about over the ear headphones because I'll never wear those. Those hurt my ears, and yeah, I prefer these, to be honest. So might as well just do a quick unboxing for you. Adios to that. Let's see here. There you go. They're red. So, oh, look at this. That get out, and I guess the pair, you gotta, obviously it says your pair, keep earbuds in case with the lid open. Obviously I'm not gonna pair them right now because I'm recording this video on my iPhone. So that's the inside of that right there. I've never owned a pair of Beats headphones at all, but these are my first Beats Studio Buds. They are active noise cancellation and they do feature transparency mode. They're charged via USB, which is all in here, right here, and the ear tips are in here too. Obviously they come in small, medium, and large. So, and then there's all like a little spiel here too on how you do it, but it depends on if you want to get them or not. They're $149.99. Like 150, so they're like not much, they're about the same as the regular AirPods. That's all I can say. But here you go, try it. You get at least in this, you get 3 months of Apple Music free and whatever. I already have that. You can also charge this via Android. You can also get the Android app, so get this on Android, but I have a feeling it'd probably be better with your iPhone because these are Apple device more than likely. Ooh, sticker and all this spiel and all that. So basically got your USB-C cable in here. It's okay, it's actually fit if you have the charging block from a previous iPhone, which obviously it came with, not this one, this past one. Actually, yes, never mind. The iPhone 12 that didn't come with that charging block. So the original charging block that I got comes with the USB-C adapter thingy in there. So there you go. So that's all. I'll be testing these out probably, hopefully in the next week, maybe tomorrow, because I'm leaving for a trip in a few days and I'm gonna be bringing these with, and I will be testing them out more than likely. So I just picked red because I love red. Obviously my nails are red and my watch band is red. So that's it. And go visit Chicago, go see the Art Institute. Trust me, you'll learn a lot, and there's a bunch of different paintings that I enjoy. Basically the ones I enjoy are, I'm an art person. So that's all. So I hope everyone has a good day. Bye.